Hey, how's it going? I have one box of 2021 Upper Deck Goodwin Champions. There are at least 2 hits per box from autographs, memorabilia, relics, manufactured patches, or 3D lenticulars on average. I'm going to rip into this right now. There's 20 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. This came out somewhat recently, a week or two, 2 weeks ago. I should say a week or two, because it's been 2 weeks. Haven't had a chance to rip it yet, but I got one here, as you can see. I do like Goodwin Champions a lot of the time. Had some good luck with them. And I like their cards, like Allen and Ginter from Topps, but Upper Deck's version definitely have some wacky stuff in here. So let's see how I do. Starting it off with a Joe Biden president. Interesting. Oh, there's a lenticular, I think. Goodwin Champions Adley Rutschman. That is, I think, a lenticular. That's cool. Wonder how it looks in 4K. So that might be one of the hits right out of the gate. Not quite sure. Oh, it's nice looking back there. Splash of color, so I'm not quite sure. Again, I haven't opened any of these. Stan Smith. Sky Brown. So I don't know what to expect. These packs are weird to open. They don't break like typical packs. This one feels thicker. Got something weird going. Oh man. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, those little fake cards. Looked like a torn up card. Ryan Whitney, media personality. Tiger Woods. Red Gerard. It's a splash of color as well, but not lenticular. So maybe that Adley is a special one. Melissa Paredes. Coco Gauff. The cards themselves feel kind of cheap. Kind of like, I don't know. Just kind of cheap. And then, yeah, the little stub cards they put in there to fill it out. Make sure nobody's cheating. Toby Miller, Josh Giddey, basketball. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. It's neat. Almost looks like a Pokemon style card, but it looks like, playing card. Feisty J Tiger. That's pretty neat. Neat looking card. It's cool. I dig it. Carlos Allison and LeBron James. Carlos Colmenares, Teofimo Lopez, another shiny. Kangushi for racing. It's pretty cool. Gaudi, Chloe Kim, and Bayron Laura. Is it Byron? Byron. Got Michael Jordan on the back there. Elliott Sloan, skateboarder. Jalen Green, splash colors. Nate Robinson, so that's fine. Jordan. Michaela Schifrin. Gene Montero. Okay, so these are not super rare if I got 2. It's pretty cool though. Gravy. 9 card. Woo You. And Bree Baker, chef. Coco Gauff again. Colin Markawa. There's the 3 Raff. Roberto Campos and Gene Montero. Lexi Thompson. Darius Garland. Got a red. Gerard. And his card is red. Red Gerard. saying the card was red originally. Interesting. It's cool. Ben Simmons and John Taffer, TV personality, bar rescue guy. This one's cut up here. There we go. Matthew Wolf, Josh Giddey, silver Toby Miller. The cards look pretty cool. Sahith Theegala and Wayne Gretzky. Definitely about halfway done here. Molly McGrath, media personality. Adrian Wojnarowski, media personality, don't want to say his name, Gowdy. This one is not. It's a Baron Laura, not all shiny. There's Red Gerard, not shiny. Kaminga. So yeah, those must be special parallels. Just not numbered that I saw. Sabrina Ionescu. Paige Sprinnick. There's the turtle. Got him. Tortui. Cool looking card. Got Torti. He's Bale, musician. This one's kind of, I thought it was off center. Let's see how many packs got left. I think 8. No big hits that I'm aware of. Kind of thing with Goodwin. Gotta know what the hits are. Lexi Thompson, Pinnell. There's one of those. Oh, I got a silver Red Gerard. So I got a red and a silver. Chloe Kim and Ansu Fati. There's King Gushi again. Sarah Pavan. Bree Baker, Chef. Riff Raff. Riff Raff. What the heck? Colin Marikawa. King Gushi again. Oh, this one's thick. Could be another one of those fake cards in the middle or a manufactured patch. Ooh, look at that. Got something cool. Definitely a thick card. Don't know what it is. Let's see. Jalen Green. Oh, cool. Feathered Creatures. Canada Goose. Manufactured patch. So these are kind of cool in Goodwin Champions. One year I pulled one of the super rare, I think it was one of the dogs. Can't remember. No, I think it was like a lion or something. And it was like the A level one, sold it for about $400. So I don't know what this one is. Usually they're not the top of the line ones you want to get, but I'll look this up later. Canada Goose FC34. So I would think that is not. I think they're usually the first in the numbered category there. Like lower numbered. Might be wrong, but that's cool. I always like that. Alright, got another thick pack here with one of those fake cards I can see right there. Stan Smith. Adley Richmond again. Ryan Whitney, media personality. Kamala Harris. Jalen Green. This one's thick as well. So I know I got at least one hit. That manufactured patch card. Another fake card right here. Gretzky. Vanessa Hansen. Ooh, there we go. Cool. Got a rookie authentics autograph of Gene Montero. Oh, it's numbered too. Number 96 of 299. Don't know much about this guy. Check him out. Not super huge on basketball. SP Authentic. That's cool on the bottom. Yeah, they do have some really cool. Exquisite is in here as well, which is cool. Like a set. Nice. That's cool. Check him out later. Naomi Osaka and Bryson Chambeau. 3 packs left. No, 4. cool. I like Goodwin Champions. Always kind of fun. Just like Alan Ginter. Gabby Butler, cheerleader. Tiger Woods, cool. Got the owl. My daughter will probably really love these. I'll give these to her. She might like these. Sarah Winter and Saith Tagala. 3 packs left. Got another Joey B. Teofomo Lopez. Big gig. There's a Mare Bear. Mojave King. Joe Biden. El Presidente. Feels a little thick here. Sarah Pavan. Matthew Wolf. There we go. Skateboarding of Sky Brown. Parallel. It's all shiny. Kaminga and Michaela Schifrin. Last pack. This was fun. I like it. Would be really cool to get one of these museum relics. Legendary ship relics. Those are always neat. Jess Lockwood. Bryson DeChambeau. Chloe Kim. Goody. Carlos Colmenares. And Paige Spinak. So let's recap these here. Let's go to the 2 hits. Gene Montero. Autograph to $2.99. And the Canada Goose manufactured relic patch card. There you go. Thank you for watching this one box break of 2021 Goodwin Champions. Catch y'all later. Peace.